kitchen disaster after cooking for Thanksgiving. I will show you after we clean it. Bye. This area when I go down, I know it's dark, but I want by purpose to make it dark so you can see my stairs and my lanterns. I love to go down and see my two pumpkins. And then here is the rest of the lanterns. Today it was Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I had my shower and just now we'll sit to relax after the kitchen was a mess, but we ate the turkey and I put everything back. I love this area too, and I'm almost, we are done. I will start to remove the things and start to put the Christmas, which is happened so fast. Everything happened so fast. I put everything back. I made another video for the turkey. I will post it. Put everything back, and finally the kitchen is back. It was a mess. Still, I put my Jo Malone candles on for the smell. I love this one, glowing embers. I love it. And this is the pie, which Larry and we don't eat too much pie, but it's tradition. I think this is a new one. It's from Central Market. It's pumpkin and cream cheese, I think. Don't quote me for that. And yeah, and the kitchen came back clean. It was a huge mess here. Yes, and I put another candle here, the green tomatoes for the smell. In this big one, it has to be up there, but tomorrow, we are tired. And it was raining and thunders today. This is me, by the way. Thunders and raining. Oh, this was so bad. But the good thing that we were home. Yeah, guys, happy Thanksgiving. I hope everybody had the turkey and enjoyed the day. And if you don't have Thanksgiving, I hope that you had a lovely day. And I will see you later. I have lots of things to do next week, lots of videos on my YouTube. So please subscribe. I will do lots of things. Bye.